In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add images to your Figma projects using Google Chrome. This practical guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can enhance your design work with the visual elements you need. First, make sure you have your Figma file open in Chrome. If you haven't launched it yet, simply open your web browser, navigate to Figma's website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, locate and open the file you want to work on. Having your project open in Chrome ensures you can take full advantage of all of Figma's web-based features. Next, let's bring in your image. To do this, move your mouse to the top left of your Figma interface and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a range of options. From this list, look for Place Image. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and efficiency, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus C K if you're using a Windows computer, or CMD plus Shift plus K if you're on a Mac. This shortcut is a quick way to access the feature without navigating through the menu. Once you've selected Place Image, your computer's file browser will open. Here, you need to locate the image you plan to add to your design, navigate through your files, and once you find your desired image, click on it to highlight it, then look for the Open button, usually at the bottom right corner of the dialog, and give it a click. With your image now selected, you are ready to place it into your Figma project. Position your mouse over the canvas where you want the image to appear and click once. Your image will drop into the design space. After placing the image, you might want to resize it or move it around to perfectly fit your design needs. To do this, click on the image to select it. Once selected, you'll see handles appear around its edges. Click and drag these handles to resize the image proportionally or adjust it to a specific area. If you need to reposition it, simply click anywhere on the image and drag it to the desired location on your canvas. Remember, your visual elements should complement the overall layout, so take a moment to adjust and align your image carefully. And that's it! You've successfully added and positioned an image in your Figma file using Google Chrome. Incorporating images into your design projects can significantly enhance your work, bringing your creative visions to life with more depth and clarity. Experiment with different options to see what works best for you, and always feel free to explore further functionalities within Figma to refine your skills. Happy designing!